Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a published post on Hootsuite. So, let's dive right in. Here, you can see in this page of Hootsuite website, they are mentioned the process about delete published content. By website, you can delete an X post, Facebook page post, or Facebook comment. Here's how. You can delete published post from the X My Tweets stream, and you can delete posts and comments from the Facebook page My Posts and Timeline streams. First, in streams, select the board hosting the stream, then select more options, the three-dot button below the post or comment, and then select delete. Then select delete again to confirm. That's how we can delete a published post through Hootsuite website. Now let's see how to delete a YouTube video. You can delete your own YouTube videos from the My Favorites video streams or a playlist stream. First, in streams, select the bird hosting in the YouTube stream. Select more option, the three-dot button you will see, then below the video, and then select delete. Then select delete again to confirm. Here you can see post published or scheduled to multiple social accounts must be deleted from each account individually. Deleting will remove the post from your account on the social network as well as in Hootsuite. So be aware of this caution that it will be permanently removed from both your social media network and from Hootsuite too. And there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.